Hello everyone, this is Vikrant Kumar. Let's discuss about a few positive breakout stocks. Please watch this video till end to know about all the stocks. The first stock is Mahindra and Mahindra M&M. So I have already drawn important lines here. So you can see it has given a breakout from this like channel pattern, and you can also observe this is also a pole and flag pattern. You can see there is up move, and then it started consolidating, and now it has given breakout from this upper trend line. So still 1 hour is left to finish today's trading session. So if it gives a closing above this line, then you can consider this as a buying opportunity. The next immediate target could be this could be the first target, and the possible up move could be. So even now at now, if I buy, so it could be almost 16% up move. The next stock is Ashok Leyland. Now this is in daily time frame. So you can see it was been consolidating inside descending triangle, and today it has given a breakout, and the next possible target could be this peak. Now let me draw a line here. So this could be the next target, and the possible profit could be from the current level. Yes, it could be 12%. Next stock is HDFC Bank. So you can see this upper trend line, it has given a breakout today. Let me switch it to 1 hour time frame. So you can see it gave a breakout with good candle. The candle looks strong, and right now it has been consolidating in a sideways. So actually few days before I took trade in this particular stock, you can see when this this particular trend line is broken here at this level, at the closing of this candle I took trade, and my target was this line because of these resistance here. So this is in 1 hour time frame. You can see as soon as it touches this line, there's a huge selling pressure. So my target was this line. So as soon as it touched this line, actually you can see this candle is 9:15 candle on 29th April. So within first 15 minutes it touched this line, and I immediately exited this trade. And now today it has given a breakout with good volume also. You can observe the volume also, and with a strong candle. Now it has been consolidating sideways. So now I can say this is a good buying opportunity. Now the next target could be, there are multiple levels here. Let me draw a few lines. So these could be the next important levels we can watch out for. So this one you can see. Yes, you can see there is a strong resistance here. It also formed triple tops here, and after that you can see there's a huge downfall. And now this could be the you can keep this as a target, and these two are the next important levels you can watch out for. And the possible target could be from the current level, it could be 10%, and it is in hourly time frame. Now the disclaimer for this is these are not stock recommendation. This is only for educational purpose. So let's wait and watch in next couple of days how these stocks behave. So thank you. This is about this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.